Welcome. In front of me I have OPPO Find X2 Pro and I'm going to show you how Face Unlock works on this smartphone. So let's make a few tries and let's see what is going to happen. Whoa, it's so fast. Definitely I can say that it's even faster than OnePlus 9 Pro that I used 2 weeks ago. It works, really guys, I'm surprised. That's so damn fast. It's even faster than the fingerprint sensor built into the display. And of course I'm going to show you. Well, definitely we got the world breaker here. The OPPO Find X2 Pro, the face recognition rocks totally. Oh, come on, nice. Nice, I'm surprised. I thought that it will be good, but not that good. So then small comparison with the fingerprint sensor. As you can see, this one is really smooth, but a little bit slower. So that's how the Face Unlock works on this smartphone. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.